slow on the bumps and shit. Like the rims is mad big. Figured out the problem where I think the problem is. The new alarm system is juicing the battery. The shit isn't working, so I'm taking off the battery right now. I'm trying to be careful not to electrocute myself. And yeah, and then I'm gonna go get a new one from Advanced Auto Parts and come back. And hopefully I'll have enough juice to you know, keep it going. Get this shit on the road, cause I got the day off, and I would definitely love to have this shit running today. I don't know where to put this. This can't touch metal. So this value card, you know, needs to be replaced. I think it's a brand new battery, but I think it just doesn't have enough amps. We're out here in Brooklyn right now. Boy, Goon helping me out. See that thing? A lot of wires need to be cleaned up and things like that. But you know, we here. Hopefully this battery issue, this is completely dead right now. I can't push it. Here we go. Still looking good though. Still looking good in the game. Sorry if it's a little shaky, y'all. I don't have my whatchamacallit, tripod thing. So, but yeah, we getting together, y'all. Stick with me. Sorry if I'm a little down. I haven't got much sleep lately. I've just been up looking up parts and, you know, trying to figure out what's wrong. But we're gonna get it together. Definitely. So we're gonna try this battery thing. Hopefully it's charged up and we can get activated. Alright, see y'all later. What's going on, y'all? We back. We got the Leaky battery out. We back, got the new battery in. It's halfway in. I don't know how to show you. I can't flip the camera, but I got it halfway in. I can't really, you know, record while I'm doing it. But cause I don't really know what I'm doing, so I need to like figure it out and be on my phone and shit. But we halfway there. Hopefully this new battery gives us the charge we need and we get back on the road. Check back in with y'all soon as I'm done, but stay tuned for sure. We almost there. We had a leaky battery. I think it wasn't the right amps. It wasn't giving the right amps to the car because I just got the alarm system installed, so you know, I think I needed more juice from the battery that I wasn't getting, so hopefully this solved the problem. But yeah, I'll be right back, all right? Peace. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got it up and running. New battery. And we back. Listen to that. Let's go. First repair, first day too. And we got it back running, replaced the battery and the shit is giving steady volts, so we looking good. We looking good. I'll be back with y'all soon. Peace. All right, y'all, I'm back. Everything's up and running. Everything is clean. You know, I'm feeling confident about it now. I'm gonna go get some air in the tires because it's cold, you know, it runs the air out. And, you know, maybe rinse it off if I can. And then soon we go into the DMV. I'm about to put my bike, my old transportation, my old baby. I'm still gonna bike though. I don't think I'm ever gonna stop biking. Sorry, once again, I don't have my tripod, so it's a little shaky. But I'm never gonna stop biking, that's for sure. So I'm about to put this in the trunk, take it home, get some air in the tires. You know, get prepped for the DMV tomorrow, get those tags. Yeah, it's clean. Nice paint job. I need to just get it washed. I need a hose or some shit. If anybody has a hose, let me know. I'm about to go to the fire hydrant or some shit. But yeah, man, here she is. I ain't coming with a name yet, but I'm working on it. But yeah, we got some antifreeze in there. Everything's up and running. Good to go. Officially in New York. Officially made it. Ready to start working. I already started ripping some of the tint off because this is too dark for New York. I'm gonna get pulled over every 2 seconds. As it is, I don't need to have the tint also. So we're gonna get rid of that. And we're gonna get to work. Start finding out, you know, fix the insides, see what's going on. Get it right, all right? See y'all later. Peace. What's going on, gang? I tried to get air, put them in the tires because it was getting cold, and now we at the rim shop because I fucked up the valve. I messed up the valve, so you gotta be cursing and shit. So basically, one of these valve stands right here. Oh yeah, I'm fully a mechanic now, look at my hands. One of these valve stands right here, I fucked it up when I was putting the air out, so, you know, it's gotta be fixed. Minor fix, it was my fault, but, you know, we back here at Tire Shop and Repair, somewhere in Queens. I don't know. Got my Thunder Mifflin hat on. Shout out to the office crew. Yeah, they about to get me right. Said it was a minor issue. Okay. There it is. About to get some night footage of Roxanne. By now, if you saw this video today, I finally picked a name, made a new page, you know, activated on TikTok, so make sure you go follow that. Rocks the 87 box, sorry, on TikTok and Instagram. I'm actually on my way to a bar right now. My friend's like hosting some bingo or something, and he said they got good wings, so, you know, I figured why not? Worth the shot. Go say what up to him, get a little footage of that. I just wanted to see. So yeah, some night footage. Yeah, so we're gonna walk over here. I'm not sure if you can see me, but hopefully you can. Yes, I walk in the street. I just prefer to walk in the street if I'm by myself. Usually. Only because it's hard to explain to other people why I want to do it. I don't know. It's more comfortable. So I walk in the street. But definitely not gonna record the whole walk there. It's like a 10-minute walk. But I'll be back when we get there, see what's going on with this bingo night. I might have missed it. I'm a little late. Started at 8, ends at 10. It's like 9 something. But we'll see. Not this time, next time. But about to definitely meet an interesting character there if he's there. If he doesn't leave by the time I get there. So stay tuned. Definitely like, share, subscribe, that thumbs up button and all that. Turn the bell on so you get notifications when I upload. And I'll be right back. Peace. This place called Clara's. I've never been here, but there's my boy doing bingo. I messed it up. I wasn't recording the whole time.
We got N41.
Of course, yeah.
Now it's of course.
Oh, baby.
A few minutes ago, Sean's a piece of shit. Now it's of course. I love it. Bingo's changing minds and lives. Next up is 073.
Oh, come on.
Oh, 73. We got G 47.
Oh, yeah, some daddy's over here.
Oh, he's dead.
Bingo going on. Everyone's
Originally, he was
playing.
gonna leave a while ago.
It's usually a microphone and stuff, but the microphone is broken, so we'll be back next week to get a better idea of it.
37.
Why then?
And 37. Who wants this last prize? I think it's a good one. Next up is B11.
Yeah.
B11. Shout out to everybody stuck with their original board. Never switched sides, never switched teams.
Yeah, I know.
Next up is O. 66.
What?
O 66. We got O 74.
Bingo.
Bingo. Came just in time.
Yeah, Team
Jam wins twice.
Again? You won earlier too?
Won earlier.
Oh
She
shit.
played professionally.
74, 46,
You say
yes.
everyone is
36, yes. 28, yes. 11, congratulations, double, take the prize.
This guy won twice.
Take the prize. Thank you guys, we'll be back next week. Big Mike, more boys, more prizes. Oh, thank you, my brother.
That was cool. I'm gonna definitely come back when you got that microphone.
I'm glad. We're gonna be on a mic, we're gonna be going crazy. I'm gonna say a bunch of crazy shit.
Even though I didn't win one time.
Your heart was in it.
Your heart was in it.
Your heart was in it.
I know.
Oh,
Yo, tell him what you just. Tell him where we are. Where you gonna be next week?
right now, we have Claire's every Tuesday on Wilson Ave. This Monday, I'll be back at Kilo Bravo out on North 10th Street between Bedford and Driggs. Back here Tuesday, then that Thursday, I'll be at Farewell down on Troutman. If you ain't
Activated.
winning, Bingo Empire, nothing but it, baby. Come on now. If you ain't playing, you ain't winning, baby. Remember that's my motto.
Yeah, you can't win if you don't enter. I know about that. I just did that. I just went through that.
Oh my God, you're
Did you win one today or no?
Don't refuse
Did
to
it?
play.
No, I did not.
I'm sorry.
Got the footage you're
I'm sorry. No, it's fine. That's good too. That works either way. No matter what you say, it works.
You got that?
No, it's okay. I came in late.
Alright.
That's
Sorry.
What's this camera?
It's my YouTube channel. You're on my
Right now?
YouTube.
Is
Yeah,
it
you're on it.
happening live?
You're on it. Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
You said no.
Girly?
You're on it.
I heard you won a car.
Yes, that's what this is about. I'm glad you said that. That was naturally too. That's funny. That's funny you said that naturally. I didn't even tell you to say that, right? I didn't tell you to say that. I didn't
You
tell
told
you
me
that.
about it, and I can't believe it.
So like, this big YouTuber I follow, like, Rel, this dude Rel, in Texas, and like, he does like raffles all the time, and I actually won. So then I always wanted to do the same shit, start my channel. So I already had the camera. When I bought the camera, like 3 weeks later, I happened to win the car. Crazy, like it was like 2023 goals, but it happened obviously like way faster
So
than
what
I
does
thought.
what does that mean? What does
So
that
like
look
just
like?
working on the car, just lifestyle, this shit in between, everything. Like I recorded some of the car before I came here. Like just
Wow. Just
gonna
all
go
the
through the
time.
motions. Yeah, just everything. Just life.
I've never really like.
Yeah. And I fucked up when I came in. I messed up. Sorry. I wasn't recording when I first came in. That's why I left and did it again.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Wow.
I'm gonna stop soon, but I'll be back when I leave. Go ahead. Peace. Alright, y'all, we back on the block. I got my wings from Claris. I heard they're good. We about to see what's up. Bingo was cool. I'm definitely gonna come back when they got the mic working. The mic was out, so we're gonna figure out what's good. Walking home and shit right now. Stuff. Definitely gonna go check on the car, give you guys a cold start, I think, later on in this video, so stay tuned for that. Probably gonna be after I bust down these wings though, I'm not gonna hold you. And after I, take my medication. But yeah, people out here walking dogs, doing other weird stuff. I don't know what people do in the park at night. It's cold. I really don't know why you would be out here, but hey, it is what it is. We're gonna try this 360 footage though. No more iPhone for this episode. We're gonna see. Maybe a little iPhone, actually. Can't lie. But we'll see. People playing basketball over there. Chilling, but yeah, I'm gonna go home, eat these wings, get a cold start going for y'all. Maybe chill in the car for a little bit, talk about a few things that's coming up, a few more projects. What's next? Oh, they got lights on the basketball court now. Oh, really? Okay. Let's go over here. Let's see what's going on. Let's see. Who's winning? I said, who's winning? That's all. That's good. All right, bro. Y'all have a good night. Later. I should have told them to subscribe to my YouTube, but you know, I know how it is. You can't just put a camera in people's faces. They weren't really feeling it, but they were nice people. We'll see them again, figuring this stuff out. Definitely gonna run into them again. I hope this night vision comes out good. We got enough light, I think. All right, so yeah, anyway, what was I saying? Yeah, cold start. Talk about what's coming up next for the car. And yeah, stay tuned. See y'all in a second. Peace. Alright, y'all, what's going on? We back again. Told y'all I would come back. I ate, I almost fell asleep, but I was like, nah, let me get back out here. It's like 1:30 in the morning. And yeah, we just come and check on the car, see how we doing. Show y'all a little preview. Let me show y'all the one of the features I added, the push to start. Let's see if we could get that going. Get a cold start for you. Hasn't been on all day since last night, so let's see what's going on. See how it's sounding. Doors from the phone, start the car from my phone. But I'm gonna be right back, y'all, because it's cold and I didn't dress properly to come out and record this video. So I'll be right back. Peace.